Redmi K70 series can be said to be very popular. From the sales report of the opening sale to the standard version of the K70 became the single product sales champion during the 6/18 promotion. All can show the excellent product power of the K70 series. Now, the more powerful Redmi K70 Ultra is also coming. Let's follow this article to see what kind of performance it can bring when equipped with the flagship Mediatek Dimensity 9300 Plus core. Redmi has unveiled its latest high-end smartphone, the Redmi K70 Ultra. For those unaware, the Redmi K70 lineup consists of various phones, including the Redmi K70, K70e, and K70 Pro. Now the Redmi K70 Ultra has been released, featuring a high-end chipset along with some other highlights. Let's check out each aspect of the phone below. The Redmi K70 Ultra follows in the footsteps of its siblings, featuring a familiar design. It also has a big rectangular camera module on the rear side, featuring a triple rear camera setup and an LED flashlight. The camera cutout seems a bit changed and has a more square look compared to the round cutouts on the previous models. The smartphone also offers an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. It is slightly on the thicker side, with an 8.39mm thickness and a heavier weight of 211 grams. The Redmi K70 Ultra comes in black, white, and blue color options. The Redmi K70 Ultra features a 6.67-inch OLED display with a 1.5K resolution. The panel supports HDR10+ and Dolby Vision content. Moreover, it also ensures a smooth experience with a 144Hz refresh rate and 480Hz touch sampling rate. Powering the phone is the Dimensity 9300 Plus processor. It is a flagship chip from Mediatek with 8 cores and is based on the 4nm architecture, ensuring high performance and efficiency. Along with this, the K70 Ultra also features a PengPi T1 signal enhancement chip. The primary role of this chip is to enhance signals, including Wi-Fi, 5G, and GPS to ensure better connectivity. The smartphone has a triple rear camera setup. It is led by a primary 50-megapixel sensor, together with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide and 2-megapixel macro shooter. For selfies, there is a 20-megapixel shooter on the front. The Redmi K70 Ultra comes with a 5500 mAh battery with 120-watt fast charging support. The smartphone utilizes the Surge P2 chipset for fast charging capabilities. The K70 Ultra ships with HyperOS based on Android 14 OS. The Redmi K70 Ultra comes in multiple configurations: the 12GB RAM, 16GB RAM, and 256GB storage, 512GB storage, 1TB storage. The Redmi K70 Ultra is a promising smartphone for heavy users such as gamers. With its powerful processor, the smartphone is capable of handling heavy usage. That said, it is also a bit on the heavier side, and the design could have been better. The Redmi K70 Ultra is a more performance-oriented phone, with the flagship dual-core paired with aggressive performance scheduling to deliver smoother performance in games, making it ideal for those who focus on the gaming experience. Other aspects, such as appearance and texture, screen performance, battery life, and so on, have good performance. I believe this Redmi K70 Ultra can give you more surprises. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.